Ladies and gentlemen, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're at. Check it out. This is what we're doing today. I just wanted to make a little video here on my 2014 Harley Davidson SuperLow Sportster. It's 883. She's got the intake, she's got the pipes. Oh man, there's probably under 3,000 miles on this bad boy right here. But anyways, the reason this bike is probably like no other Sporty you've ever seen is because it's got a freaking double din, man. Also, we got two 4-inch Kicker KS speakers. We got the Rockford Fosgate amplifier powering them. This is the Steel Horse Audio ST600 kit. If you're interested in buying it, check them out. It's pretty loud for what it is. I mean, obviously we could have got some bagger kits, but there's really not a lot of room to put these things on a Sportster. So they are just mounted straight to the handlebars here. It is literally in your face. I mean, when you are sitting in the seat, they are ear piercing at a stop. But you know me, I like the bass. We're not done with this thing here. This thing is getting... Ooh. She's got the lights, guys. Hold on. She's got the lights all around. We got all the fancy stuff on this bike. It's pimped. Pimped out, as the kids would say, kids. Alright, yeah, check it out. We got the lights. Alright, so now you've seen that. We're getting two 6.5 Sundown woofers on this bike. And I am going to show you how we are going to do it. So I got this motorcycle from Facebook Marketplace. A guy bought it for his wife. She never rode it. And then he sold it to another guy who bought it for his wife, and she never rode it. And when I bought this bike last year, she had 82 miles on the clock. 82 miles. It was brand new, literally not even broken in yet. So, just to see where we're at here, I think, see what we're at. Oh, 36.15. I've been riding the piss out of this. This is 36.15 on the miles. We got the double din here. Haven't been started in a while here. Alright. Yeah, so basically, it's a car radio. I mean, I could, just like my work box, I could put a Bluetooth mic on here, make calls and all sorts of crazy things. I think there's a GPS module for this Pioneer, but it's discontinued. Good luck finding one. But anyways, yeah, we got Spotify, the Pandora, the whole lot, Bluetooth. She rocks, boys. So I'll take you to the low side of the bike here. So obviously I could not fit the double end in with my speedometer in the way, so I got a relocation bracket, and because I have the Memphis Shades fairing on here, it was hitting that, so I had to extend it even farther down using some iron I had. But as you know, metal fatigues and that is about to snap off, so we are going to be doing a few things to this bike while I am getting ready for the spring here. The first thing is going to be fixing that. Second thing is going to be adding fixing and adding a better ground wire, because I believe that from turning here, when I turn left or whatever, it gets tight, and I think I stretched out my ground wire, so it currently doesn't really rock when it's, when the bike's on. It's weird. Gotta fix that. So that's that. And then obviously I wanted to add the subwoofers, which I'm getting ready to show you here. taste and play it here. I had to close my garage door because it's loud enough to really piss off the neighbors, but here we go. Alright, so this is our subwoofer box. There's going to be 2 subwoofer boxes, but this is like the prototype. I'm pretty happy with it, I guess. I'm going to be testing it here in the next few days with the subwoofer actually in the box. I have a port and made a bunch of calculations, tried to do as much research on the internet as I could. But basically with the size of the box, the lowest tuning that I could get here was 48 Hertz. Due to the length that the port is here, and you know, the size, the diameter, all that stuff. So really was not easy to obtain low bass, but it still should punch pretty good. So that is it. How are you gonna mount it? Well, yeah, that's gonna be pretty tough, right? Not really, because we got literally bag mounts. These should work fine. These are bag mounts for a Sportster. Gonna put it on the box. We're gonna freaking send it. It's gonna work. There's the port. So these are the Sundown 6.5-inch subwoofers. Got them off downforsound.com for like 99 bucks a pop. This is only one, obviously. The other is the same. This is the Sundown Audio SAM500D. It's a 500 watt mini amplifier, and yeah, I mean, independent tests have said it does about 620 at 1 ohm. Pretty good. So yeah, why don't you guys tell me what you think? Am I gonna be able to pull this off? Is it gonna sound good? Am I crazy? Why did I do this? Like, comment, subscribe.